We're going to start the engine and talk about what the engine is telling us. To start the engine, you would press the engine button on the console, or you could go through the Windows Start menu under Programs and find Engine there. You will first see the splash screen popping up saying Starting Engine. The engine dialog box will be displayed, and you will start seeing a log message that the system is being initialized. Okay, let's go over some of the interesting areas of the engine. First off, the large area on the left is a log of what is going on in the engine. It will record information such as files being processed, errors, and basically what is going on. On the right side, you have an area that would actually display a soft proof that had just been processed. Now, since we had just started the engine, the screen would be blank. However, if we had jobs running through the system, we would be generating soft proofs, and we would actually see a rendering of that particular page. Now, along the top, we have two groups of buttons and indicators. The first two buttons is the Run button and the Stop button. The Play button will tell you that the engine is running and will process files. The Stop button does not stop the engine, but kind of like putting the engine on hold or pausing it. You can move around the engine in this state all you want. It just will not process any files. The next button basically does nothing more than clean the log window. The next button is actually a pull down that allows you to see the number of clients that are currently logged on. The last three buttons are error indicators. The first button or indicator would turn red if the engine received a bad file that it did not know how to process. The middle button or indicator would turn red if it received a soft proof error. This would be a soft proof that came in with the wrong name or format. The last button would indicate if there was an error being reported back from producer. To clear the error on any one of them, all you have to do is click them. If there was a file-related error, it would bring up a dialog box showing you the file that caused the error and allows you to clear it or remove the file. There are more items under the File menu, like renaming rules that would be covered in the documentation that comes on the software DVD or in the advanced training.